Welcome, my beautiful Virgo friends. I'm Vera Lynn, and this is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. Today I'm going to be doing your general reading for September 2018. Now, when I say general reading, cover career, love, soul story, the basic energies of September. I will be posting later a love reading for September if you want to check that out, okay? Dive in a little bit more about what's going on the love side, but this is going to be a general reading, okay? It's going to be kind of vague. Now, speaking of vague, I still am offering those free readings. Anybody who shares one of my videos and subscribes gets a chance at a free reading. I am giving away one reading, one free email reading every day. I love getting in touch with you guys. I love hearing your soul stories, what's going on in your life, you know, where are you guys from, just reaching out. It is so much fun. Now, if you want to get a private reading, go ahead and you can email me for that. My prices are below. I do have a Facebook if you guys want to follow that or whatever. I'm not too big into social media, and I'm not tech savvy, so I just started out this Facebook. I don't even really know what's going on. I only have like, I think 30 followers or something, but yeah, this is actually the first time that I remember to say it on one of my videos. So if you want to follow me on Facebook, I like to post inspirational things or you know, maybe about my readings, whatever it is. It's just another way to reach out to you guys, and I love it. All right. Now, I've been rambling. This is like the 8th time that I've started this video. I'm maybe honing in on your energy, or you just, you know, not quite sure about a relationship or a career path or a project that you are working on. You might find yourself, you know, writing a list, or, you know, writing a rough draft and crumbling it and just throwing it in the trash over and over again, or trying different things in your relationship and just not getting anywhere. I feel like right now I am posting this pretty early, so for some of you guys who are watching this, I'm a Virgo too. Our ruling planet Mercury has done the retrograde thing, maybe still currently is, depending on when you're watching this. So for some of you coming into September, you know, you had a lot on your shoulder for August. There was a lot of crazy energy going on, you know, maybe your appliance were breaking down or whatever it might have been. Just a lot of crazy stuff, right? Okay, so guess what? September, gonna change, and it's gonna be for the better. We're gonna get stuff done. We're gonna have more confidence. We're gonna get out there, be more balanced, inspired. September. All right, and happy birthday for some of you guys that have, you know, your birthday in September. Isn't that nice? Maybe you need to celebrate it. I know I am August 31st, so shout out to you fellow Virgos with August 31st. All right, so just to go over, I know I said this was a card reading, but I really do feel like just talking about the energy shifts and everything like that is really important, and you can see that actually even plays out through the cards later on. Okay, so for September 5th, yes, Mercury enters Virgo. What? Yes. Mercury is just sitting happy in Virgo, and you know what? You are just soaking it up. Your communication is gonna be on point, okay? You're gonna get out there. This is, I feel like it's going to just have you more focused, okay? You're going to, obviously those details are gonna pinpoint the bad ones and just accomplish it. Notice this is totally different energy from August, okay? So, and also you're probably going to pick up some more research, writing. Like I said, that communication is going to be on point, that networking, okay? And also during this time, get rid of the shit that doesn't serve you anymore. Whatever it is that's lagging you behind, keeping you from just getting out there and doing your thing, let it go. All right, so for September 6th, Saturn turns direct in Capricorn. Yes, okay, this is more energy that we need. Capricorn's ruling planet is Saturn, okay? So you're going to find yourself more disciplined, more even focused. I myself am excited to see what September is going to come with me regarding my channel and my career, my photography on the side. I am just so excited to see how things are going to change, because I know this retrograde feeling has just so funky, okay? We didn't even really feel like doing anything, or the thought of doing everything just provided more anxiety. Okay, so this is going to, the Saturn turning direct in Capricorn, might also strengthen your romantic relationships. Yay! Okay, if you guys are having like a tough marriage or whatever it is, maybe you're going to later on in the month find yourself making you and your partner's relationship official. Things regarding that, okay? Yay, right? I'm excited for September. I know the beginning of August is just, it's been all over the place, okay? It's been all over the place. All right, so also, more good news. Venus enters Scorpio, okay? So you might find a renewal in your marriage, in your relationships, maybe just kind of like a rebirth with how you even think about love, okay? Maybe getting rid of that toxic ex, okay? Scorpio, new beginning, Venus, the planet of love. Use that to your advantage. You also have a new moon in Virgo. Okay, this happens once a year, a new moon in Virgo, guys. Okay, happens once a year. This is where you yourself are going to renew your energies, renew your strengths, okay? Kind of wipe away the bad, say good, like I keep saying, what does not serve you anymore? Bye-bye. Okay, what do they say? Bye, Felicia? Yeah, okay, let's do it, because I'm prepared to get rid of that skin that I don't need anymore. You know, whatever, the clutter, for instance, the clutter around my house, you know, the little things that I need to get done. You know, maybe even going and seeing a doctor. Whatever it is, you got to get it done. This is the new beginning of your year. There's a new moon in Virgo. This is very powerful. Like I said, happens once a year. Now's the time. Okay, and it's like I said, it's also the same day that Venus enters Scorpio. There's a new moon in Virgo. So that's a lot of energy shifts going on. Okay. So yeah, this only happens once a year. This is when you want to create that list of what you want to see to get done. Because when you write it down, you take that minute to actually write down what you want to see from your marriage, from your career, from your side projects, from yourself. It's very powerful because now it's written down. Now it's in your mind. Now you are slowly manifesting that, okay? Take the time maybe every month, every new moon, reading that list. Okay, bringing back that power. You can manifest your dreams, guys. You know I've told you this so many times. It's reality, okay? Make it your reality. Okay. So yeah, but the new moon, new opportunities, a new chapter in your life, okay? Just a new job, career, project, whatever it is, relationships, just some good stuff. September 10th, Mars enters Aquarius, okay? All right, and also I'm just going to kind of just read off the list here. Towards the end of the month, your ruling planet, Mercury, enters Libra. That's always, I feel like Mercury is always pretty good in Libra because you kind of, with the nitpicking with the details, you're going to find a little bit more balanced what's working and what's not. So use that to your advantage as well, too. And a full moon, finishing out the month with a full moon in Aries, September 24th. Okay, you're going to have a lot of energy there to manifest your dreams. Aries, they're the leaders, they're the pioneers. I feel like for some of you guys that are really doing that career change, this is it. This is your time to shine, guys. For some reason, I just want to start. I want to shout out for some of you guys who have a Taurus influence in your life. This is probably one of those times where you're going to bounce your ideas off of them. You know, perhaps ask them to help out, because a Taurus-Virgo relationship, whether it's love, business, is very strong. Friends, it's very strong. So if you have a Taurus in your life, shout out to them, okay? Alright, I said this was a card reading, right? I apologize. So you guys like, this is my aluminum flower here. It is so beautiful. It is handmade. I got it from Music Festival. Here's the guy's business card. he's so cute. The story was, I guess he proposed to his wife, and for the wedding she wanted a whole bunch of flowers, and instead of buying expensive real flowers that would just fade away, he handcrafted all different types of flowers. This is a rainbow lily. He does all kinds of cool stuff. I'm not even like sponsored by him or anything. I just picked this up. I thought it was amazing. The the detail that is just to it is so beautiful. That guy is very talented. So if you want to pick up some of these flowers, I like, for some of you who are artists, if you want to shout out to me, for some of you guys, I know you guys like sending me some of your work, whether it's canvas or wooden. I accept anything, and if I will show it on the channel, I will support it. I will hang it up in my gallery, as I do with all of the artwork that I collect. It is so amazing, and you know what? It just keeps me so much more motivated to get in contact with you guys. Even if you just want to send some photos, I love seeing it. It's great. All right, let's get this going. I think this is by far the longest that I have talked before even touching the cards. It says a lot. There's a lot that needs to be said for September. You know, you had to take that step back in August and kind of regroup. So now for September, for some of you guys who have a birthday, you're out there celebrating. For some of you guys who have a project, you're getting out there and getting it done. And as I say that, the Hierophant pops out, so you are going to have that leading influence. You are finally going to have that say, okay? People are going to listen. People are going to follow. For some of you guys who are getting into your own spiritual way, this is you guiding others and helping others like you've always wanted to do. A lot of people are like, oh, well, this is a pope. Not necessarily, you know, it doesn't really have, from my point of view for this reading, this isn't necessarily, you know, textbook religion. You know, this is you finding your own and what makes you happy. You know, for some people, they like to grab a little bit from each religion that they really support and kind of make a rainbow melting pot of it. Whatever it is, you're going to have a leading, a following. Are you the boss of the project? Whatever it is, something. And your hard work is going to show off, okay? You got a little bit of ways to go. Your project isn't quite done yet, but you have a little bit of ways to go. The work is being put into it, and you're also going to have a financial comeback from everything, okay? Because this is you working hard. The Pentacles, okay, this is the Eight of Pentacles. The Pentacles represent wealth, okay, coins. So you're really working towards not only your passion and what you're spiritually led by, okay, but you're also working, and not intentionally, but you're also working towards your finances too as well. And that's just great. All right, so I'm going to pull one more card for you guys. So September, I feel like it's just going to be a lot of work, a lot of good work that you are passionately, spiritually tied to. Sorry, I had a card jump out at me. And look at that, you have the Page of Pentacles. I feel like this might be a message regarding your finances, okay? Things might clear up for you. The bills might start to be paid more. You might find yourself either, sorry, my chickens are going crazy out there. I apologize. You can hear them on the recording. But this is going to be good news regarding your finances, okay? Maybe your career, getting a promotion, just having a little bit more bread on the table, so to say. So this is good. This is really good. I feel so good about September myself, and I hope you guys do too. You use everything to your best advantage, with Mercury being in Virgo and the new moon in Virgo, guys. This is your month to shine. Take that time, okay? All right, so we had the Six of Waters jump out from the Angels deck, and it says memories from your history or childhood, issues regarding children, romanticizing the past. So some of you guys might be still stuck in the past. Oh, wow, I had another one jump out. Two of them jump out. All right. Four of Air. Time to rest or take a vacation. Allow more time before making a decision. Meditation may provide answers. Now, for some of you guys who are having that birthday this month, please go out and celebrate it. You do deserve it, okay? Take that time, Virgo. All right, and for some of you that have gotten off that meditation track, I know it's hard. I know with so much things on our mind and just life going on, that rat race of life, we could just literally forget about how to even remember to go about doing meditation. Take that step back. Get yourself back on that track, okay? That healthy wheel, okay? Keep it rolling. All right, and the Nine of Earth. Enjoying life's little luxuries. Spending quiet time alone. Successful self-employment. Yes, this is what we need for September. I am telling you guys, there is going to be... Let's just go over your cards again here. Okay? You're guided by what has your passions, okay? Your religion, your spirit, whatever it is. You have followers and people who support you, okay? You're still putting in the hard work, but it's going to change your life financially, okay? You're guided by spirit and passion and love and healing others, but you're going to get the money. It's going to be turning around. It's not your focus, and that's how it should be, okay? Good karma. You're not in it for the greed. You're in it to heal people. The money will just follow, okay? The Page of Pentacles, that is that financial change soon, because I know some of you guys, it's just so stressful that little bit of break, okay, financially will have you go a long way, okay, because you're going to have that stress off your shoulders, just that, even if it's just like one or two bills paid, or you have somebody help, you know, if you just had a baby, if you've had somebody can come help clean your house, your mom or something, get that village and that community and that tribe going, okay, guys? Even if it's just to help to cook dinner, okay, that goes a long way. All right, so then we also had the Six of Water there, the Four of Air, and the Nine of Earth. Okay, guys? All right. Thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry this reading was all over the place, but I feel there's a lot of messages that need to be sent out to my Virgos. So if you guys could just get in contact with me for a private reading, that would be great. Okay? If not, subscribe and share for your chance for that free reading. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. My name is Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful September.